Still got 570 litres, which could take us about 1,585. We've got the fridge. Alrighty. We're going to go move some tyres from one spot to another spot. I don't know how big they are. We'll find out when we get there. Let's go. Good.
Do you know what you're picking up?
I was hoping you'd know.
No, I'm the only one in here.
Alright.
Everyone's either quit or left. I'll go in, I'll take that if that's alright.
Yep.
I'll go and have a look.
Apparently I'm bringing some back according to that.
If you just want to drive through the gate, I don't have to reopen it for you.
Oh yeah? Okay, so what we're doing is a wide load. We've got some tyres on here. You're going to have to put your flags. You've got 2 straps on each one. Hanging over the side of the truck, as you can see.